Welcome to this detailed tutorial that will show you how to permanently delete your X account. You may have decided to close your Twitter account for various reasons, creating a new profile, reducing online presence, or simply discontinuing the use of the social media platform. Regardless of the reason, in this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of permanently deleting your X account. Let's open the X application on the phone. The next step is to click on your profile picture at the top left, and this side menu will pop up. Next, tap on Settings and Support, and then select Settings and Privacy. This will open up our X settings, so click on the first option, which is your account now. We will arrive at a page with 4 different options. Simply tap on the Deactivate Your Account button. We don't have a dedicated delete button, but we will have to deactivate our account first. When the profile is deactivated, your account and everything else will be hidden, and no one will be able to find it. If you change your mind, you can always restore your account by logging in within a period of 30 days. However, after the 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted, and you won't be able to recover it. So if you do want to delete it, click on the Deactivate button, then enter your password, and that's it. Just refrain from reactivating your account within the next 30 days, and it will be deleted forever. I hope this helps. If you have any questions regarding this, leave them in the comments below.